Today is a delicious mango day for me. I just have to show you one of the ways to enjoy your mango fruits. I love mangoes and you can use them for juice, salsa, smoothie, ice cream, fruit salad and many more. But today's recipe is mango coconut tapioca with yummy toppings. Get your ripe mangoes, tapioca, coconut, nuts, milk, and ice cubes ready. This recipe is so refreshing. You can have it any time of the day, at any party or occasion. Let's put this refreshing deliciousness together. Soak your tapioca in water for about half an hour. By then, it will have doubled in size. Then start to boil your tapioca with coconut milk. Delicious. While the tapioca is boiling, cut your mangoes and blend them. Now, you can turn off the heat from your tapioca and allow it cool down. Then pour it into a bowl and mix in milk, if you want it a little bit sweeter, you can just add a bit of honey. Some of the blended mango, coconut slices. Mix everything together and add your ice cubes and serve. Simple. And your granite toppings and more coconut flakes, more mango. You don't need any sugar because your ripe mangoes are so sweet, so creamy, so good, and so refreshing and yummy. You can eat a bowl of this and ask for more. Mango is a good source of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin A, and it helps provide collagen for the skin. Now you can see why I love mangoes. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more recipes, and thank you.